Hello guys and I welcome to Talk with Adi. In today's video we will talk about the latest news, that is the skill build Reginate. What it is? Actually the MSDE and IBM have partnership for it. What is MSDE? That is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneur. So MSDE and IBM partnership has unveiled a free digital learning platform, that is Skill Build Reginate, to reach more job seeker and provide new resources to business owner in India and other countries as well. So what make it unique? The thing which make it unique is the skill build Rejuvenate tends to provide job seeker and entrepreneur with access to free online coursework and mentoring support designed to help them reinvent their career and business. IBM will provide multifaceted digital skill training in this area. Suppose in the area of cloud computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, cyber security, and many more, guys. I bet you that you will love this platform. So, without wasting your time, let me take you to the screen how to register for it and to get your badge as a IBM MSD partnership as a specialized in this course. So, let's start, guys.
Like a Hellcat.
So guys, we are on our screen and you need to type skill build Reginate, and the first one link you need to click over that. The link is in description, don't worry. So once it is open, let me down it. So here a badge, a certificate you will get after doing this course, and how to register on it. So there is a button called register, click on that, and yeah, here it is a registration mode. You can register by using three methods: by LinkedIn, by Gmail, or by with the help of IBM ID. So I click by second one, and after clicking that you need to import here your personal information like your Gmail ID, your your first name, last name, etc. And after that you are done, you are able to grab that course. And now after login to this, you will see a prompt like this. So what are you looking for? You are looking for job, you are looking for businesses. Yes, we are. That's why we are here. So what are the courses here? Let me explain you a bit. So find learning by topics, you will click, and it takes some time, so don't panic. So once it is open, here it is very beautifully arranged in alphabetic order. Once suppose I click artificial intelligence, so here it is a complete course of artificial intelligence, nearly of 20-30 hours, which are more than sufficient. AI for everyone, deep learning, IBM cloud education, how to build chatbot is a very lovely course which I have met in this. So you can also try that. Second, let me click a second one, that is cyber, let me click cyber security. Yeah, cyber security is another trending course. So eight more cyber security threats, IBM cyber security, and many more are there. Data and analyst, again a very trending course. Next one is entrepreneur mindset, which is a very more important, very important topic nowadays. And are you ready to be a digital entrepreneur? Yes, I am. So there are many more courses like Internet of Things, quantum computings, and virtual business management, work from home, very trending course. So this was a complete course. You can avail it from here. Let me talk about its content. Its content is very much specific to a particular topic, and they have arranged their content in a well precise manner. They have a quality content, you can trust in it. They have a content from YouTube, Coursera, EDX, Great Learning, etc., in a very well structured manner, a theory as well as a more practical approach. The minimum criteria to get certificate here is to that you need to complete a total 30 watch hours in their website. And after that, at the same time, you need to complete some module as well. After that you can get your certificate like this. In a cyber security, I have in a cyber security. So you can also avail it from different fields. So what are you waiting for? Just go and click on that, guys. After getting a certificate and completing their basic course, you are eligible to their advanced course, which are more practical approach. And after doing that advanced course, you are eligible for a particular field in a very quality manner. So guys, it's very precise to that you just go and make your ID and do a course as well. So if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. So hope you understand the concept. So thank you guys, and bye.